Sean Diddy Combs wants court to reveal names of accusers in trafficking and assault cases. Sean Diddy Combs is trying his all to get out of jail. After being denied bail twice and having applied for a third time, the disgraced music mogul has now requested via his lawyers for the identities of his accusers to be revealed. The rapper wants to know names of people who have accused him in trafficking cases. In a letter to a Manhattan federal court judge, Diddy's legal team argued that he needs to know the names of the alleged victims so he can prepare for his trial, which is scheduled for May 5, 2025. The letter signed by Diddy's lawyers Marc Agnifilo and Teny Geragos reads, "This case is unique, in part because of the number of individuals levying allegations against Mr. Combs due to his celebrity status, wealth, and the publicity of his previously settled lawsuit and the grand jury leaks and false inflammatory statements by the DHS agents, as outlined in our previous motion. This has had a pervasive ripple effect, resulting in a torrent of allegations by unidentified complainants, spanning from the false to outright absurd," the letter further reads. The letter also made a note of the 6 new lawsuits that were filed anonymously and includes a minor's allegations. It read, "Counsel for these accusers recently convened a press conference at which he claimed to represent 120 accusers making outrageous and deeply prejudicial allegations, including violent sexual assault and sexual abuse of minors. This publicity stunt, broadcast on Instagram, included a 1-800 number that reportedly received 12,000 calls in the first 24 hours. The lawyers continued, "These accusations came on the heels of more than a dozen lawsuits previously filed and currently pending, several of which have already been discredited, but only after irreparably damaging Mr. Combs' character and reputation. These swirling allegations have created a hysterical media circus that, if left unchecked, will irreparably deprive Mr. Combs of a fair trial, if they haven't already." It all started with former partner Cassie accusing Diddy of rape, forced use of drugs, and abuse. Sean Diddy Combs has been in the news for reasons of sexual violence and assault ever since there were public allegations against him by former partner Cassie Ventura. She alleged Combs subjected her to more than a decade of coercion by physical force and drugs, as well as a 2018 rape. Diddy and Cassie settled the case out of court within 24 hours.